Anna found Richard in the living room when she got home. Margaret was there too, sitting on the sofa, drinking tea like she owned the place. "I'm going to see my mother," Anna said before she could lose her courage. "Tomorrow morning." Richard put down his newspaper slowly. "We already discussed this, Anna." "No," Anna said. "You discussed it. I listened. This time, I'm telling you what I've decided." Margaret's cup clinked loudly against its saucer. "Excuse me?" "I have the money for the ticket," Anna continued, her voice shaking but steady. "I don't need permission." Richard stood up, his face hardening. "Where did you get money?" "I have a job now," Anna said, "helping an elderly gentleman nearby. It's honest work." "You didn't ask me," Richard said, his voice rising. "I didn't need to," Anna said quietly. "It's my life too, Richard." The room fell silent. Margaret looked between her son and Anna, clearly shocked that anyone would speak to Richard this way. 20 years, Anna said, her voice trembling but clear. 20 years I asked permission for everything. Shoes, coffee with a friend, my own opinions. And now my mother might be dying, and you're telling me I need permission for that too? Richard's jaw tightened. "I never stopped you from anything." "You didn't need to stop me," Anna said. "You just made everything so difficult that I stopped trying." For a long moment, no one spoke. "I'm going," Anna said finally. "I'm leaving tomorrow morning. I hope you'll understand. But even if you don't, I'm still going." She turned and walked upstairs, her legs shaking with every step. She had never spoken to Richard like that before, not once in 20 years. She half expected him to follow her, to shout, to demand she stay. He didn't. That night, Anna packed a small bag. Her hands were still trembling, but her heart felt strangely calm, like something heavy had finally been put down. Early the next morning, before the sun had fully risen, Anna left the house quietly. Richard was still asleep, or pretending to be. At the small local station, she boarded the train that would take her to the airport. As it pulled away, she watched her town disappear behind her, small and grey in the early light. She didn't know what she would find when she reached her mother. She didn't know what would be waiting for her when she returned home either. But for the first time in years, Anna Wood was moving forward, toward something, instead of quietly waiting for permission to live. If it were you, would you go visit your mother like Anna did? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed today's episode, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching through to the end. The next episode of Anna's story is coming very soon. We look forward to seeing you there. Take care and bye-bye.